We're going to go after the people who are most likely to commit violent crimes. Those are repeat offenders. It's a mathematical fact. Repeat offenders are most likely to commit another violent crime. Our goal is to identify these repeat offenders, which we can easily do because they have repeated before. They are already in our database. And we will identify who they are, we will track them, and determine whether or not they are in violation of bail, parole, probation, whatever the case may be, and make sure that we get them off the street before they can harm anybody else. Number two, we want to make sure that anybody in the country, anybody in the state of Texas, illegally, who commits a felony is arrested, jailed, and denied bail. The fact of the matter is, because they are here illegally, they are automatically at a higher flight risk than other people would be. Because they've already committed a felony in the state of Texas, they've proven to be a dangerous harm to our citizens. It's our responsibility to make sure that we keep dangerous people who are arrested behind bars. Next, we need to create a new position in the state of Texas, a state prosecutor. There's a need for this because of negligence and a failure and refusal by some DAs to follow the law, to apply the law. What this new state prosecutor would do would have the authority to step in those instances. If a DA has not brought an indictment within 90 days, that time period would be extended 30 more days for the state prosecutor to be able to evaluate the case and bring charges as appropriate. The last is this. There are times when it may call for the removal of a district attorney who is simply not doing their job or who is endangering their community. And what I found is very interesting, and that is every statewide elected official, including myself, is subject to impeachment. Every state legislator is subject to impeachment. Every state district judge is subject to impeachment. The only elected official not subject to impeachment is a district attorney. There's no reason for that. District attorneys, just like every other elected official, must be held accountable when they fail into and refuse to do their job. And so I'm calling for the impeachment to be available in the Constitution as a form of accountability with regard to prosecutors going forward.